So in this video, we are going to see how to upgrade to Windows 11 24H2. Currently, this is my Windows 10 computer, and you can see in the about section, I will show you the processor. It's AMD Ryzen 7. It's basically support Windows 11, but still, so if you have a lower version, that will also work. Installed RAM is 4 GB and Windows 10 Pro 22H2. So currently I'm going to upgrade it to Windows 11 24H2. Let's see how can we do that. Open Microsoft Edge or any browser you want to use. Just type Rufus download. Let's create a bootable USB drive, but without USB. You have to scroll down and come to the download section here. Make sure you download this standard version. Click on close for the ad, and then Rufus will be downloaded. Click on open file, click on yes, and in the device you can see I cannot see any USB drive. So first of all, we have to create the USB drive on the machine itself. Let's open disk management with the help of disk mgmt.msc. Click on action and then create VHD. So location, we have to give some location. So browse and then click on this PC. Select the drive on which you have free space. Then click on new folder and you can give any name here, VHD, let's suppose, and then I will just type USB VHD. Save, and here just change it to GB and give 16 over here. Let's keep all the settings as is and then click on OK. Now you will see one disk is added with 16 GB and which is unallocated. Just right click and initialize this disk. Make sure you select GPT and then click on OK. Now this is online, and then right click and click on simple volume. Click on next, 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 or you can give the volume name as, let's suppose, USB VHD, something like this, and then click on next and then finish. So now USB volume is created. I will go ahead and close disk mgmt, and you can see device is been added over here in this device list. Boot selection, I will select disk or ISO image. Please select this one. You have to click on this icon and then click on download. Once you click on download, you have to click on the download and make sure you have internet enabled on your computer. So currently it is showing me different options here, Windows 11, 10. I'm going to select Windows 11 here and then click on continue. So latest version is 24H2. So it is showing me 24H2. I'm going to select continue. Edition will be a home, pro or edu. Click on continue. And then language selection. You just need to select the existing language. Currently the language is English US. And how to check this language? So let's go to command prompt. Open the command prompt and you can just type PowerShell here. Once you type PowerShell, it will switch to PowerShell, and now you can type the PowerShell commands. Type get install language, or you can just press tab key on your keyboard and hit enter. So it will show you the language over here. Currently language is ENUS. Now I know that my OS language is English United States, and then click on continue. The architecture is 64-bit, and I'll just click on download here. So it will ask me to save the downloaded file ISO file location. So I'll just go ahead and click on downloads folder and then click on save. So downloading is started. Now bootable USB is created and I am going to open setup.exe. Click on yes. Now I'm going to click on change how setup download updates, and then click on not right now and then click on next. And it is giving me error that this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Now what? So I'm going to open command prompt and then navigate to this drive, E drive setup.exe space /product server. Hit enter and then click on yes. Let's close this first because this is already open. So now I'm going to press up arrow key and then hit enter. Click on yes. Click on this icon again. Click on not right now and then click on next. Let's see if we get the error again or not. So it is bypass, and now we can see the license agreement, license terms, and then click on accept. Here are the options you want to check, that is keep file settings and apps, keep personal files only, or do nothing. So if you want to keep the files, you can select this option because we want to keep the files on our computer. So I'm going to select this option only and then click on next. Now it is going to check if your PC has enough space. So make sure you have enough space, that is 60 GB and above. And let's check install Windows 11 Pro, keep file settings and apps. If you want to change it again, you can click on this change what to keep and then click on install. So currently it is installing and it is showing as installing Windows Server, but don't worry, it is going to install Windows 11 only. So let's wait for this installation to complete and then I'll show you Windows 11 24H2 version. So now Windows 10 is upgraded to Windows 11 Pro 24H2. So you can see install date is 16 October, which is today. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye.